guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanaya, known as Modest Guru, and today I will be showing you my everyday makeup tutorial. Starting with Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, I absolutely love the consistency of this primer. It has a gel texture, so I apply this to my fingertips and then blend it into my skin. Now for my brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. I take a spoolie brush and brush my eyebrow hairs upwards so that I can start on outlining the shape of my brows. So while I am outlining my brows, I also use Benefit's Precisely my brow pencil to fill in my hairs. But while we're, taking a look at this, I actually want to go ahead and discuss some of the recent events that has been taking place here in America when it comes to police brutality, racism, hate crimes, and discrimination as well. My heart is absolutely broken over the recent events, from George Floyd's killing to Breonna Taylor being killed as well at the hands of a police officer. I am absolutely heartbroken. It has been really tough on my soul and really tough on my ability to continue to create during a time where we have to stand up and make a change and be the change that we actually want to see. So I've been taking this time to just self-reflect, taking this time to educate myself more on the history of my ancestors. Also, I've started a Medium account in which I write on medium.com, and you can find me and follow me on Medium at Modest Guru Blog. So I wrote an article on Be the Change in Peace. I'm absolutely heartbroken by the recent events, so I took time to educate myself on organizations and foundations that I would love for you all to take a look at and donate to for Black Lives Matter. I'm a Black woman, and I truly feel like, we have experienced so much racism and hate crimes here in America for generations. And now is the time that we continue to make a stance and use our voice to make a difference on every single platform, every opportunity that we have. We need to have those conversations that makes us uncomfortable, make other people uncomfortable. We need to be an advocate and truly educate people on the history of Black people. We need to come together and uplift one another in a society that has been built to tear us down. And so the change starts with us today. I am truly, just now getting back to my creative side, because I feel like, I will never be silenced. My power is my voice. My power is my ability to uplift other people, to empower and start a movement and make a change within all of, within our communities. I want to be able to always speak on topics that are not your normal conversations. I want to be able to voice my opinion and hear the opinion of others. So, let's talk about it. In the comment section, give me your insight on the recent events. Tell me some things that you've learned and what you have built and changed within your community as well. What are some things that you're doing to make a difference? It's really important that we talk about these things so that we can actually see the changes that we want to see. And it starts from first within. You have to self-reflect during this time, and also use your voice and use your power, use your talents and skills to start a movement, to be the change. And so I just wanted to speak on that, and I will actually get back to the video because I will be linking in the description box my Medium account where I'll be writing every week in regards to different topics, articles and information and research that I put together to educate everyone. So I would love for you to follow me on there. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Modest Guru Blog. I am a blogger. I am a writer. So that is my way to release and also heal within the community. And I am all for, women's empowerment movement. Black lives do matter. So if you can take the time to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, I would absolutely appreciate it. Okay, so I am back to the tutorial. I had to take that time to speak on, what's on my mind and what's really important for me to say today. But right now I'm currently blending in one of my favorite contour shades, Coco Bean by Black Radiance. One of my favorite brands. I just love Black Radiance and it's super affordable. Now I'm going to go in with Mercier, their translucent setting powder. This has been in my makeup cabinet forever. I just cannot let this powder go. It is so fine, so thin, and it just creates little to no creasing at all. So I can wear this all day long without having to refresh my makeup. So I apply the setting powder in all the areas that I have highlighted. Now using Anastasia Beverly Hill Contour Kit in the shade 10 to Deep, I'm using the top middle shade. I just feel like it warms up my skin complexion. I'm going to apply the contour on top of my cream contour to set it. Also using the same contour shade, I contour my nose and use the same contour shade on a day-to-day base as a eyeshadow base. I just feels like it warms up my lids. I don't have to worry about applying eyeshadow. I can use minimum to little products as possible in order to achieve a very natural look. And this is a super easy look for beginners in makeup. I mean, it's very effortless, a couple steps, and you can always work on increasing the steps. Like if you want to start adding different blushes or different eyeshadows. This is more of an everyday look, so you can keep it very natural. It takes about 15 minutes to do this face every day. Now I am using Anastasia Beverly Hill Glow Kit. I absolutely love this palette. I love the highlighter. I mean, it's one of my favorites. It's very natural, very radiant. It's just beautiful. I love it. So I apply it to the top of my cheekbones. Also, I highlight my nose, top of my forehead, like just right above my brows. And I also use this highlighter at the top of, like right up underneath my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with mascara. Now I am applying KKW Beauty Nude Lip Liner. This is in the shade 2.5. This is a dark nude color. Then I just purchased this Rose Vegan Lip Balm. It just feels so wonderful on my lips. I love it. So far, so good. So yeah, that completes the look. I'm just going to fix up my hair, get photo ready for the thumbnail of this video. But I absolutely love you guys. I appreciate 100% of your support. I will be linking my Medium account website down below in the description box so that you can check out my recent article. And also I provided resources for you to donate, educate, and also sign petitions. That this is an amazing way to make a change, and there are so many great resources out there, so check it out. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial today. Please let's start a comment down below where we can talk about it. I love you.